So lesson 1 on unit 2, it's about the sets. The first point in this lesson, what will be the definition of the set? Actually, the definition of the set is a collection of known objects. Collection of known objects that are clearly defined. Like what? Clearly defined like what? Like the colors of the traffic lights. Colors of the traffic lights, all of us know that it's red and yellow and green. So in this case, we can consider that this one is a set, the colors of the traffic lights. Okay, also like the days of the week. Also, we can consider this one as a set because it consists of 7 days, and the name of these days are Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and the Thursday, Friday. So in this case, it's a clearly defined objects. So in this case, we can consider the days of the week as a set. Also, guys, we can say that the seasons of the year. Season of year, there are 4 seasons on the year, okay? Spring, winter, autumn, and summer. So it's well known and clearly defined so that we can consider that it's a set. Also, the main directions. Here I mean the geographical directions, like east, west, north, and south. They are 4 main directions, okay? And they are east, west, north, and south. So we can consider that one also as a set. What else? Also the month of the year. It's January, February, March, April, and so on. So that there are 12 months in the year: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, and so on. So it's clearly defined objects so that we can consider that it's a set. Okay, so any collection of known objects that are clearly defined, we can consider them as a set. Like also some different examples like that. If I will say that one example like this, digits of the number 213. So of course, this one, we can consider that it's a set. Why? Because this one, the digits are 2 and 1 and 3. Well known, clearly defined, 3 numbers or 3 digits, so that it's a set. Okay, guys? Are we clear till this point?
Yes, Mr. S.
One more example like that. Factors of number 8, for example. Actually, all of us knows that 8 equal 8 times 1 and also equals 4 times 2. So the factors of number 8 are 1 and 8 and 4 and 2, clearly defined, well known. So we can consider that the factors of the number 8 as a set. right?
Yeah.
But actually, there are some groups or collection of objects we can't consider that this one as a set. Like what?
Like even numbers and odd numbers.
Exactly. Like small animals. Do you know all the small animals? Is it clearly defined? No. We can give some examples, but not all of them, right? So that this is not set. Big animals also. It's not clearly defined, actually. It's not well known, right? So
Yeah.
we can just
Big
give
numbers.
some examples only about big animals, but not all big animals, so that it's not a set. Okay. Also, if it was like that, beautiful songs. Do we know all the beautiful songs? Of course,
No.
no. We can
No.
just give some examples, and also we can't judge which one is beautiful song or not, right? Because maybe I will say that
Yeah.
I'm like Amr Diab, for example, and another one said that no, I don't like this guy. I'm like Tamer Hosni, for example. So it's not clearly defined, right?
Yes.
So
Yes.
in this case, it's not said also. Okay, what about
And also
beautiful
bad
flowers?
song.
What about the beautiful flowers? Also not set because we don't know all the beautiful flowers, their names, their numbers. Okay, how many beautiful flowers are there in the world? No, so it's not clearly defined. Correct, guys?
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay,
Mister.
so
Yes,
now
miss.
let's solve some examples, okay, to understand more about the set. The first example, digits of number 2010. What do you think, guys? This one is a set or not? Actually, it's 2 and 0 and 1, and
And
there's one more 0 here. But anyway, guys, later on we will know that, okay? We will never repeat element on the set. So this means here, the digits of this number, okay, it's clearly defined and well known, so that this one, of course, is a set. But if the question is like that, high buildings.
high buildings.
So what do you think about this one? High buildings. Do we know all the high buildings in the world?
No.
Their names, their locations, their numbers? No, we can just give some examples about that one, but not all. So it's not clearly defined, not well known, right?
The set.
So that this means that high buildings are not. Okay, what about nice fruits? Of course, this one also. I can say that nice fruits like banana, oranges, mango, and another one said that no, 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 no. I think nice fruits are like
Strawberry.
a strawberry, watermelon,
Watermelon.
pineapple. Yes, like that. So there is no rule to judge if this one is a nice fruit or not. So it's not defined, not clearly defined, right? So this one, of course, nice fruits, not set. But the sets like days of the week. Okay, all of us will say that, yes, 7 days, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and so on.
Yeah.
No different answers, only one specific answer. So it's well defined. But here, nice fruits, banana, mister. Okay, apple. Okay, pineapple. Okay, strawberry. Okay, so different answers, not clearly defined which one is nice, okay, or not. That's why we said that it's not set. Then the next one, the Arabic alphabet. Arabic alphabet. Arabic alphabet, guys, like this Arabic letters: alif, ba, ta, tha, gim, ha, and so on. Okay, so it's a clearly defined, well known, so it's a set. Also, English alphabet. Yes, it's like the English letters: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, and so on. So it's well known, clearly defined, so that it's a set. Correct?
Yeah.
Okay, what about this one? The letters and the word math. Okay, actually, this one, the letters are M, A, T, H, S. Well known, clearly defined, so it's a set, of course.
Yeah.
Right?
Right.
Okay, one more example like this one. Prime numbers less than 15. So first, guys, I want to remind you with the prime numbers. Prime numbers, okay, it's the numbers that has only two factors. Only two factors. Like what? Like 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, and so on. Okay, so here we want to get the prime numbers less than 15. So of course, these numbers
It is a set.
2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, clearly defined, well known, so it's a set, right?
Yeah.
Okay, great. If it's like this one, the small trees in your street,
It's not a set.
so actually, guys, actually here in your street, okay, you don't know how many small trees are there. Also, we don't know how to judge which one is the small or which one is long, or I mean tall, like that. Okay, so that we can consider that it's a small, if it's smaller than 2 meters or 3 meters or 4 meters, or smaller than 1.5 meters or 1 meter. So it's not clearly defined, right?
Yes, Mister.
Okay, so in this case, do we supposed to consider that one as a set or not set?
No, not a set.
Of course,
Not
yes,
set.
not set. Great. So actually, it's not set. Okay. One more example. Factors of number 12. Okay, what are the factors of number 12? Actually, 12 equal 1 times 12. 12 equals 2 times 6. 12 equals 3 times 4. That's it. Nothing more, right?
Yeah.
So the factors of number 12 are these numbers: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 6 and 12. Well
Not
defined,
a set.
well defined, right? Well known, clearly defined. So it's a set, of course. Okay, guys?
Yes.
Okay. If there's a question like that, guys, tall students in your class.
Not set.
Only question here, guys, do we know which one is tall and which one is short? Of course, no.
No.
Okay, of
Not
course,
set.
no, because we don't know which one is tall or short. If he's taller than 2 meters, so this means he's tall, or taller than 1.80 meters, so he's tall, or shorter than 1.60. This means he's short. So we don't know exactly the manners, okay, or how to judge if this one is a tall person or a short one, right? So
It is not a set.
we can't judge that which one is tall or which one is short. So it's not clearly defined, it's not well known, so that it's not set. Okay, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mister, I have a question.
Yes, okay.
If it لو احنا مثلا عاوزين نقول يا مستر مش طول students in your class، لا ال students نفسهم in your class هتبقى 6 ولا لا؟
Hmm?
How many students in your class؟
Again? Which
لو كانوا
students?
يا مستر لا students بس
Sorry, I can't understand it. Can you make it again?
Yes, okay. Okay, listen to me. Actually, if there is some objects, you know well the names and the numbers, so go ahead, it's a set. Okay, so if it's clearly defined and well known, so that directly it's a set. Like what? Like as we said, the names of days of the week, Arabic alphabet, English alphabet,
English alphabet.
okay, seasons of the year. Because here, if I will ask this question to anyone, okay, he will say that days of the week, yes, 7 days, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and so on. But if I will ask him, what about the clever students in your class? He will say that, yes, Muhammad, I think he's clever. And the Mustafa, I think, no, he's not.
It is not a
So,
set.
and also Ali is clever. I'm not sure if Meher is clever or not, but Mona may be clever, okay? And then one of the other students said that, no, Mona is not clever. So it's not clear that Mona is clever or not. It's not clear that Ali is clever or not. It's not well defined, right? Not clearly defined. So that in this case, if my question is like that, clever students in your class, so of course it's not said. But if the question is like that, things or box in your bag. Of course, you know the box or the things in your bag. You can count them. You can tell me about their number and their names. Yes, I have the science book, the math book, and also there is one notebook and 2 pens and 1 pencil. So it's a set, of course, right? Because you are sure of your answer. It's a clearly defined, well known, right, guys?
Yeah.
Now, guys, the next point in this lesson, it's about the elements of set. So elements of the set, actually, it's the objects that the set contains. Like what? What do you mean by this, mister? Actually, guys, if I will ask you a question like that, the set of the days of the week, so you will say that Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So the 7 names of the 7 days are the elements of the set. So if I will say that set of days of week. So the elements will be Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So the elements are Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay, then what about the elements of the number digits of number, for example, 527. So the elements are 5, 2, 7. Exactly. So now, if I will say that digits of the number 30043. Here, guys, actually the elements are 3 and 0 and 0 and 4 and 3. But 1 second. We will discuss about this point on the next lesson. Never repeat element in one set. So this means it's a 3, correct? 0, correct? Then again 0, no, never repeat it. Then 4, no. Oh, yes, sorry, yes.
Mister,
Then
can
3,
you repeat it
again.
because my internet connection offline?
Okay,
Can you
I
repeat
will,
it?
okay. Again, guys, again, the elements of the set. Elements of the set means the objects inside the set. Like what? Traffic lights.
Mister, this is lesson 2 or lesson 1?
Still in lesson 1. Traffic light colors. Okay, so the elements here are red, yellow, green. So 3 elements only: red, yellow, green. Okay, so what about the elements of the set of the seasons of the year? So actually we have to list down the names of the seasons of the year. So in this question, the answer will be elements are summer, winter, spring, and autumn. So the elements are summer, winter, spring, autumn. Okay, one more question. Set of even numbers less than 10. So in this case, it's 0 and 2 and 4 and 6 and 8 only. Because here it's less than 10. So only 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So the elements are this one: 0 and 2 and 4 and 6 and 8. If it's the set of odd numbers less than 7. So 1, 3, 5. That's it. Correct, guys? So we have to list the elements this way. There is one important point, actually. If the question is like this: set of digits of number 1, 5,273. Number 2, 5,225. So in number 1, the elements will be 5, 2, 7, 3. But on the second one, the elements will be 5 and 2 only, because I will never repeat the element. Okay, I will never repeat elements. So 5, it's here, 2 here, then again 2. No, sorry, I will not repeat element. Then 5, no, sorry, it's here. I will not repeat element. So the elements of the set, it's 5 and 2 only, not 5 and 2 and 2 and 5. No, never repeat the elements. Okay, guys?
Okay, Master.
Okay, guys. And the exercise questions in exercise 11. Okay, of course المعاصر book او كتاب المعاصر يعني اللي احنا بنشتغل منه. The first question, mention the elements of each of the following sets. Mention the elements of the following sets. The first picture, it's set of fruits. So the elements here will be orange,
Orange,
apple,
and banana.
and banana. What about number 2 or letter B? This one was letter A. Letter B. Here, set of animals. So
Animals.
Elephant,
it's a dog and a horse
donkey,
And
And tiger,
tiger, and
elephant.
elephant. That's it. So that are the elements. The next one, letter C. Set of means of transportations. Okay, so the first one, it's a car. Second one, it's train,
And bus and airplane.
bus, and airplane.
airplane.
Great.
Airplane.
And number
next one,
D is set of
letter D.
children.
Only the names, set of children, the names, Samir.
Here, Soha Ahmed.
Exactly, great. Soha and Ahmed.
Ahmed.
Okay.
What about the next one? Letter E.
Set
of birds.
And him. Birds. The first one.
bird.
Duck.
And
Okay,
the second one.
bird.
That one, guys, it's a bird, but this one actually in Arabic, ده عصفور يعني. Okay, it's a sparrow. Sparrow.
Okay.
Okay, and the third one, it's a chicken or hen.
Mr.
Okay, guys.
What about
One
birds?
set of balls.
The next one, set of balls. Football.
Basketball.
Basketball. Volleyball.
Volleyball. Volleyball.
Volleyball.
Handball.
And handball.
Tennis ball.
Okay, great. So that was question number 1. Then the next question number 2. State which of the following is a set or not. The first one, the colors of the Egyptian flag. What do you think? Colors?
It is a set.
It is a set.
Egyptian flag.
It is a set.
Actually, these
Black,
colors,
white, and red.
these colors are black,
White.
white,
And red.
red. So clearly defined, well-known set, of course, right?
Yeah.
مستر
And
Mr.
then the beautiful stars.
كاتب يا مستر هو كاتب السؤال اكتب ست or not ست.
Exactly.
هكتب
So here
أكتب
you will
ست بس.
just write down the answer like that. Set. Here I'm just explaining that it's clearly and well defined. That's why it's a set. But the answer directly in this question will be like that. If the question is like this, the set of colors of the Egyptian flag, so on the answer you have to write yes, it's a set. That's it. Okay?
Okay.
After read the beautiful stories.
The next one, the beautiful stories. Beautiful stories, it's a very general. We don't know exactly which one is beautiful story, which one is not beautiful. So it's not clearly defined. It's not well known. It's not set, of course. Okay. Actually, guys, I will stop at this point. The remaining questions will be homework. Hopefully, all of you understood the first lesson. Okay?
Okay.